So x, y, and z are all negative. 3x minus 3y equals negative 3z. If we divide all of these elements by 3, just to kind of simplify it, we get x minus y equals the opposite of z. What this tells us is that since z is negative, so we have a negative minus a negative equals a positive number. Because since z is negative, negative z becomes a positive number. What this means then is that this negative x must be a number closer to 0 than y, because y, when we subtract the negative, it's the same thing as adding a positive. This is enough to completely cancel out the negative of x and make the whole sum a positive number. So now we need to just look and see what comes up in the statements. Statement 1, x is greater than y. So we did establish that, let's just say x is negative 3 and y is negative 5. X, so negative 3 minus negative 5 is the same thing as negative 3 plus 5, which gets us a positive number for z. So remember that the less negative the number is, the greater it is. The closer to 0 on a number line it is. So x is in fact greater than y. Statement 1 is true. X is greater than y is greater than z is what statement 2 says. We actually don't have any information at all about where z is relative to x and y. We know it turns out to be a positive number in the final equation, but it starts out as a negative number, and we don't know its relationship with the other two. There's no way we can get to that from the information that we have. Likewise, statement 3, x equals z. Again, we don't know anything about their relationship to each other except well, no, there's really no except. We don't know anything about their relative negativity. We only know that they both all start out negative. So only x and y, because of this part here, this is the only reason we know anything about x and y. We don't know anything about z. So only statement 1 is true. Answer choice B